So this is me trying out my own Greek yogurt. Upon a bem and everybody is doing Greek yogurt, so I must do my own. Well, when it comes to me, like I so much love parfait, yogurt and granola. I so much love it. So instead of buying, I was like, okay, Chama, try it out. And I'm so proud of myself because it came out so well. So today I'll be making use of two sachet milk. That's what I've been using. And when I went to the market, my brothers and sisters, I wanted to buy culture. That one in a sachet. I was some that small thing, but 3,000 naira. I had to source for, thank God for a lady that told me that I can make use of Greek yogurt that has life culture. So that was what I made use of. So I'm making use of this two sachet milk as a beginner. But I have to do what we look up my of my so that I will know the perfect measurement, so that I will know the quantity of water I will make use of. So each milk is 3 cups based on the cup I made use of. Each is 3 cups, so together is 6 cups. So meal, I'm telling you the whole truth how I made my own Greek yogurt. I made use of 8 cups of water. This one because these 6 cups, like Onwaka say, some that entered inside, So I was like, okay, let me just make use of 8 cups of water. I started by pouring hot water first so that it will help dissolve the milk very well. So I added 4 cups of hot water and 4 cups of lukewarm water. So you have to mix it very well. Keep turning. Mix here, but make sure the milk is well dissolved. After that, you have to sieve it. So like I said, you have to sieve it after mixing the milk to make sure that there won't be lump. And then when anything then you made the milk, just make sure that the milk is plain. So what next? What next? Okay, the next thing is to add my culture, what I'm using as my culture, whatever you want to make use of. Like me, I'm using a yogurt that has life culture. That's what I made use of. So I had to just take out a little milk from here to dissolve the yogurt, and I added it back. I made use of half of this. That's what I used. Mix it very well. Pour inside your milk and mix very well. After that, if it does any hana ponkechi. Now, please take notes. This my milk at this point is no longer hot. When English, yeah, room temperature, yeah, because it should not be hot. Because I think what I heard, if it's too hot, you won't achieve that yogurt texture. You won't achieve it. So now you have to put it in a airtight container. Look at what I'm making use of. You will now tie it. Oh yeah, na kitchen. If you know what works for you, like you see the way I will do mine, there's nothing hidden. If you want to laugh at me, no wahala, laugh. Oh. But you see the way I did mine, I don't have cooler. You see where I placed my own. And keep watching to know if it finally came out well. So as you can see, this is what I'm doing. After pouring it in the containers, you see the way I will tie it over tying. Ihe nkere ya bụ nkechi o, eke m ya ka a si eke ife. So this is exactly 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So I left it till next morning. I left it overnight. That's how I do mine. I left it overnight, and wow, it was so wonderful. So, like, if you have cooler, whatever you want to make use of, you have seen what I used. If you make use of cooler, whatever, anywhere you know that when you place it, it will be warm. Just put it there. That's what I did, and wow, it came out so well. So this is the pot. So I covered it very well. So this is it. This is the one I put inside pot. I had to cover the pot very well. And this is the one inside the microwave. I had to cover it well. So now it's 6 o'clock. So I think I'll wait for tomorrow morning, maybe around 4 a.m. So the long awaited tomorrow morning is here. Don't mind me. I woke up around 6. Immediately I woke up, I had to rush into the kitchen and I checked my yogurt. Don't mind me. My cameraman is sleeping, he's still sleeping, so I have to be using my one hand. I'm holding my phone in the other hand and I'm trying to pull it out. So that is it. Wow. Okay, so it came out well. Can't you see? At this point, you can choose to stop, but no, I didn't stop because my target is Greek yogurt. At this point, if you want to stop, you are free to stop. You will just pour it inside a bowl, mix it very well, put whatever you want to put. You might decide to put sugar, you might decide to put vanilla, whatever you want to put that will make it sweet. Like someone like me, I don't put anything. Like I will put sugar in some because of the children, but I will not put in some because of myself because I don't like yogurt that is sweet. So that is the case. It came out so well, both the one in microwave and the one in the pot all came out so well, and I'm so thankful. I'm so happy about that. Then what next? You just place it in a sieve. Ihe eji aya akamu. Place it in a sieve, put it inside your fridge for like 4 hours. That's how you will get a thick yogurt. For you to get a thick Greek yogurt, tinye ya n'ife eji aya akamu, like the way I'm doing it now. Tie it very well, ikechisie ya ike, tinye ya na your fridge. I say one freezer, not freezer, just normal fridge. Leave it for 4 hours. I left mine for 4 hours. You can choose 3 hours depending on your choice and how you want it. Me, I left it for 4 hours, and wow, our yogurt came out so well. Can't you see that? People, after the so this is the yogurt. So the best thing you should do is, at this point, if you have mixer, you can make use of your mixer. Whatever you have, you can use. Me, I want to use my turning garlic. So Muchuku, see our yogurt. Nekwa my Greek yogurt. Original, nothing. Organic. It was see me enjoying my homemade parfait. Enjoying my, okay, let me call it Greek yogurt before some people will come for me now and say that it is not parfait. Whether you like it or not, it is my own parfait. Hope you will try it at home. Thanks for watching. Bye bye in Pastor Nathan Bass's voice. Bye. Guy. I told you about this guy. He doesn't love you. He doesn't care. You're the one keeping the communication alive.